Hi, welcome to today's review of this vintage Raleigh Record, Raleigh Record Sprint. I'll let you have a look at the bike before we start going through the review. Okay, so the frame set, so it's a high tensile frame set in 25 inches. It's really tall frame. You get high tensile front forks, you get a lug construction, but it's high tensile steel. You got mounts for, you have no water bottle mounts, but you do have mounts for a pump, which is included on this one, and you get your gear shifter lugs. So that's the frame set. Just show you at the back. So this one's from about 1980 or the 1980s, I predict. I have tried to research it, but I can't seem to find anything. So components, what do you get? So you get Raleigh stem, you get Raleigh handlebars, they're both alley. You get Weinmann centre pull brakes, you get alloy wheels, 27 1 1/4. Just need to check that, I'm sure I did say it as 1 1/4. You get down tube shifters, you get brakes with extensions, alloy pump, you get a Raleigh double chain set, you get a Raleigh derailleur, you get a Suntour VX rear shifter, and you get 6 speed cassette, so it gives it 12 gears. You get steel pedals as well. The saddle is not original. So the components are pretty good, they're hard wearing. So the build, let's have a look at the build quality. So these are always good because lug construction is relatively easy to make. Everything is nicely welded. Down here, yeah, they're really good welds. So let's have a look at the look of it. If we take a step back and have a look, it's a very good looking bike. I just wish I was 6'8" so I could ride it. But it is a very good looking bike. The gold graphics. It's got that retro feel to it. It's got a light bracket as well. These are lovely. These are lovely. You can see that clearly. These are lovely. So I really like the look of them. Really retro. Really cool looking bike. So new, these weren't cheap if I remember. I think the Record Sprint was about £200, which was a lot of money back then. Today you probably can pick one up. Well, I've seen them on eBay in unserviced, unchecked condition, in used condition, starting at sort of 60 quid, and then they go up from there depending on the condition. I just wish it was a bit smaller because I think I'd have it for myself. I really like it. Really like this bike. It's understated, cool and retro. What more can you ask for? So if you've got one of these, or you had one of these and you enjoyed riding it, let us know. I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments. If you're thinking of getting one, let us know if what you're looking for and whether it's the right thing for you. Either way, it would be great if you liked and subscribed to our videos. That way you get to see our reviews the second they come out. Thanks ever so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.